Hello. What we're going to be doing today, we're going to be changing a battery on this 2019 Harley-Davidson Softail Slim. And it's actually quite simple. You don't need a lot of tools. You need the Phillips. You need one of these puppies right here. And you need a 4mm to open this up. Okay, so first what I want to do is I want to take off the seat, because it's just going to be much easier. Okay. Next, we're going to take the two bolts that are located right over here. Okay. We're going to take the cover off. Okay. Next, we're going to take this plastic cover. Okay, it's going to go over there. We want to pop these wires. They got to be all way, so you can flip this and then move the wires away. Then ABS connector, you got to take it out. Okay, there we go. And we're going to disconnect it completely, just like this. Okay. Also, what we want to do, you want to take the dipstick out because it's going to be in the way. So, just going to take the dipstick out. Okay. And we're going to put a rag right inside so nothing falls down. Okay. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen off the negative prong with my Phillips. I'm just going to go through here and just loosen this off. Okay. Just take my fingers. Okay. So I have the bolt. Okay, next what we got to do is there's a clip right over here where my finger is. We got to lift this up. There's also a clip right here at the bottom, so we're going to unclip that. Okay, there's a clip on top. Just got to play around this. So okay, it popped off. Okay, good. So now we're just going to go slightly forward and then out. And this pops out. I'll show you guys what I mean. Okay. So what I mean going forward, there's a clip right over here. You got to go forward and out, just like that. And you have to pop this clip right over here. Okay, I'm just going to put this on the side. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to disconnect the positive. Okay, I'm just going to move this away. Disconnect the positive, which is right over there. And I actually have a really good way of taking it. Okay. Okay, and this is out. I'm slowly, just don't want to lose that bolt. Okay, here we go, and I got it. Okay, good. I'm just going to place the bolt here on the side. Okay, so now we're going to pull the battery out. Okay. Okay, and it is a tight fit. So yeah, there's a tight fit in here. Okay, here we go. And we pulled the battery out, and this is what it looks like right over here. Okay, then what I want to do is I just want to measure these two batteries. They're exactly the same, the length and the width, and we are gold. We're good to go. Okay, so in a minute I'm just going to clean all this out a little bit, and we're going to start inserting this back. Okay, so we're ready to insert this battery right over here, and this is the one I'm using. Okay, so apparently I didn't see that there's a strap in here that helps you out to pull this out. I didn't notice that, but we are noticing right now. So all I'm doing is slowly inserting the battery all the way in. Okay, I see it. Okay. Okay, there we go. It went in. Okay, so I'm just gonna leave the strap the way it is right now. So now I'm gonna go and connect the positive terminal and one of these cables. Okay. Okay, so I'm ready to connect the positive. I'm just gonna align all this somewhat. Put the bolt through here, and maybe I am gonna be lucky. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, and we are lucky. Okay, good. This is perfect. So now I'm going to come on the other side. And now we're just going to connect, the negative. Okay, I'm just going to take this off. This just helped me out to keep everything together. Okay. We are just going to put the negative. I'm just going to align this like that. Okay. Okay. And from the top, and then caught it right here. I'm just going to tighten this up well. Okay, we are gold. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing, we're going to be putting this cover. So again, I have to go in, hook this up, and then see how it goes, and then up here. It's a little bit painful, but it is doable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in like this, hook up that one first, the one on the left, with my finger, as I here, just, I just caught it. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go a little bit forward, catch it over there. Let me see. Yep, and I caught it. And now what I got to do is I just got to bend this a little bit. It should pop into place. But sometimes it's not as easy. Okay, there we go. Okay, here we go. Okay, yep. Okay, now a little bit this way. And I'm going to play around with this. Go forward, slightly down, and this lines up. And now, okay, here we go. So then what we're going to do, we're going to take our ABS cable. We're going to hook it up. Okay. Line it right here like this. And, okay, no, this way. Like this. And like that. Perfect. Then we're going to take our cables. We're going to go and hook all this up. That way it's out of the way. Okay. Then we're going to take our dipstick. I'm going to put our dipstick back. Okay. Not a problem. And I'm going to put our plastic cover, which goes in here and here. Okay. Just like this. And lastly, we're just going to replace the cover, and the grommet just basically fits right in here like that. And we're going to tighten everything up. Okay, good. And last thing, we're just going to replace the seat. Okay. Okay, so we are pretty much done. So what we have learned in the last 10 minutes, maybe 11 minutes, I'm not really sure, is how to replace the battery on this beautiful Harley-Davidson. And if this video helped you out, please give me a like, share, and I'll see you on the next one.